Another weekend day, another wedding DIY. Today, I'm gonna try to make these are fabric pieces, because I want to make a quilted makeup bag, just like a bag for the bridesmaids to put some things in. I've asked everyone what their favorite color combos are so that I can make up all of the different bags and sew them myself. I'm kind of making this up as I go along. I have a little plan here. It's really rough looking. I have a plan to do like a rectangular bag, 8x11 bag with 4 fabric pieces on it and then quilt it together somehow. I also have some fusible, I think this is called fusible fleece, from another project that I did. There's glue dots on one side and then it's like soft felt on the other side. So I'm going to put that in between the liner piece and the quilted outer piece to give it some more structure. But I'm trying to keep this really simple, and then with a zipper closure as well. I'm hoping that it's simple, but like it's still something that I'm taking the time to make, because that's just kind of my style. So I don't know, I'm thinking about gifting everyone matching earrings and matching lip color to like bring the cohesive bridesmaid look together, because everybody is picking their own dress. I think I mentioned that already. So I'm thinking about gifting those 2 items to like bring the look together, and then I thought I could put them in these bags to make it a cute little wedding gift. So that's the vision. We'll see how it turns out. The vision is for it to look sort of like this, and then I'll quilt. I haven't ironed this yet, but I'll quilt along here, and then the fusible fleece will go on the other side of this with the liner fabric. So all right, first panel is finished, and this is how it came out. All right, well, I have been working on my quilted bags. Eric, what are you doing?
Trying to email the caterer for the reception.
We're going with City Barbecue tasting, or City Barbecue, the one that we did a tasting with the other day. Hope y'all like barbecue, because that's what we're having. Well, we're actually gonna have beef brisket and chicken, because we didn't like their barbecue, but I forget what clips I have and haven't taken, but I am getting ready. I just cut out and put fusible fleece on all of the bridesmaids bags. I messed it up and did it double, so some of the bags are going to be really thick. Next step is to quilt them. I'm trying to do it all in one batch so it's easier, like do each step of the process all at once so that it's easier. And I think that it's been a pretty good approach so far. Now that I did double, I don't know what I was thinking, because I did the fusible fleece on both sides of the fabric, both the front and the back part of the bag. So like this is the front part of one of the bags, this is the back part of one of the bags. It's gonna be super thick, which it will feel really good in your hand, but I'm worried about the thickness of the fabric with my machine. It should be okay, but my machine has kind of been on the fritz lately. So like this, what I mean is that this is the thickness of the bag. I feel like it's hard to capture on camera, but in person when you can feel it, it's pretty, there we go. That's pretty thick. I've got everybody's bags sorted. So this is Emily's bag, the front and the back fabric. This is B's bag. I have 8 bags total that I'm making, and I've already gotten, I think 2 of them. Well, I've made 3. The first one was kind of a fail. So I made 3 bags already, 2 for bridesmaids, and then I guess I'll just keep the 3rd bag for myself. So got all of the bags quilted together. I have, I think, 2 or 3 bags, 3 already completed. So yeah, the next step is to attach the 2 panes together and then sew the zipper on. I don't know about anyone else, but every time I sew a zipper on, I have to look up how to do it, which is silly because it's really simple, but that's the next step. All right, I'm wrapping up the last of the ribbons now. I'm making these little tags, and I used heat transfer vinyl to put a custom name tag on everybody's gift bag. This ribbon is left over from when I did the invitations, and so yeah, I get to use it for another purpose. I got some thank you notes to put into the gift bags too. I'll write everybody a note there, and then this is their little name tags. It's coming out so good. Bridesmaids brunch on wedding day.
Wedding day.